unboxing video. Let's see what £89 buys for your van. And it's a Chinese diesel heater. Cheapest one on eBay. Fuel tank. That's something that's not in every kit. It goes into your fuel tank, your main fuel tank. Instructions. Control panel. Remote control fob. Heater with a nice carbon finish. Very nice. Another on-off key fob. Not sure why there's two. Fuel pump. Muffler for the exhaust, some hard tubing for the fuel, various clips, zip ties, fuel filter, outlet vent, splitter for the heat outlet, tubing, exhaust, more tubing. I assume that's the air filter. That's got to be an air filter for the heater. Another outlet there for the heat to come out. Wiring loom. Not sure of the quality of that, but should do the job. Must be for connecting the fuel pipe. And a mounting plate. So all in all, it looks like you get really good value for £89. I'm not quite sure why there's two remote fobs though. Oh well, we'll see. If they both work, great.